Hello dear crocheters, welcome to another crochet tutorial. Today I would like to share with you a beautiful lacy trim or edging that can be helpful for lots of different projects. You can use thread, you can use light yarn, or you can use heavier yarn for this pattern and you will get equally beautiful results. If you use cotton thread size 10 and a hook size 1.25 millimeters, you can make a beautiful bookmark like this one. Or it can be a beautiful lacy trim for pillowcases, flat sheet, or little girls' dresses. And if you work with yarn, this could be a beautiful lacy scarf. It's really up to you which materials you use and what kind of project you want to create. And before we start working on this pattern, I just want to thank all of you for your support of my channel and for all of your wonderful comments. I enjoy reading them so much and I try to reply to all of them too. And sometimes life gets busy and it takes me a few days to catch up, but I really appreciate your comments. Thank you so much. And now let's get to the tutorial. I will be working with 100% mercerized cotton Alizé Bahar and a hook size D 3.25 millimeters. I start with 12 chains. 1, 2, 3. Here I have my 12 chains, and next with the slip stitch I join them into a ring. Next I start with 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and these 3 chains will count as my first double crochet. And now inside this ring I work 13 double crochets. 1, 2. Here I work 13 double crochets into the ring, and with the first 3 chains, which I also count as a double crochet, I have 14 in total. Next I turn and make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. So these 4 chains count as first double crochet and 1 chain. Next I make a double crochet into the next double crochet. Now 1 chain and a double crochet into the next double crochet. Again 1 chain and a double crochet into the next double crochet, and so on all the way across. Here I work double crochet into each double crochet and chain 1 in between them, and at the end I end with 1 chain and a double crochet in top of that turning chain 3. I turn and make 3 chains, and now into the next double crochet I make a double crochet. Now again I make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and now I will be working into the space over here in between this double crochet and 3 chains. So into that space I work 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. This is what it looks like. And now into the next double crochet I make a single crochet. So it looks like a scallop. Next 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, and a double crochet into the next double crochet. And now I'm going to make my next scallop like this one. So 3 chains, and again I'm working into the space in between this last double crochet and the previous 3 chains. Into that space I work 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and now into the next double crochet I make a single crochet. Same thing again, 3 chains and a double crochet into the next double crochet, 3 chains and 3 double crochets worked into this space. 1, 2, 3, and then a single crochet into the next double crochet. So far I have 3 scallops and I'm going to make 2 more. So here I have 5 scallops in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I have these 1, 2, 3 unworked double crochets. So what I do next is I make 8 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I make a single crochet into the 3rd chain of this turning chain 4. So here is what I have. Now I turn and I start with 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, and now into this big loop I work 13 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. So here I work 13 double crochets, and with the beginning 3 chains, that's 14 in total. Next I'm going to join this part to this part over here with a slip stitch. So over here I have 3 chains, and into that top chain of those 3 chains I make a slip stitch like this. Now I turn and make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I make a double crochet into the next double crochet. Now 1 chain and a double crochet into the next double crochet. 1 chain and a double crochet into the next double crochet, and that's how I work all the way across over here. Here I worked double crochets, and this is what it looks like so far. Now again I turn and I will be making scallops the way I did over here. So I start with 3 chains and then a double crochet into the next double crochet, then 3 chains, and now I'm working into this space over here and I make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Then into the next double crochet I make a single crochet. So that's the first scallop worked. Now 3 chains and a double crochet into the next double crochet, 3 chains and 3 double crochet into this space. 1, 2, 3, and a single crochet into the next double crochet. So far I have 2 scallops and I'm going to work 3 more so that I have 5 in total. Here I have 5 scallops worked. Now I make 8 chains. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I make a single crochet into the 3rd chain of the turning chain 4. And this is what it looks like. Now again I turn and the pattern begins to repeat. I will start with 3 chains, then I will work 13 double crochets into this space, then I will turn again and just repeat again and again and again. Here I crocheted some more, and basically here we have only 3 repeating rows. Very beautiful design. Thank you for watching, thank you for stopping by. I will see you in the next video tutorial.